आपको भी लगता है कि अगर आपके म्यूचुअल फंड का NAV ज़्यादा है मतलब उसका परफॉर्मेंस बेहतर है? नो, it's not so. A fund with an NAV of 500 may not necessarily be better than a fund whose NAV is 50. NAV एक फंड का net asset value बताता है, उसके potential returns नहीं. A mutual fund consists of several investors who invest their money and are then allotted units at an NAV. Simply put, the net asset value is the price at which you buy or sell the units of a mutual fund. Let's take an example of Saurav, who invested 50,000 rupees in Scheme 1 with an NAV of 50 and invested the same amount in Scheme 2 with an NAV of 10 rupees. So, Saurav gets 1,000 units of Scheme 1 and 5,000 units of Scheme 2. क्या आप भी सोच रहे हो कि since Scheme 1 NAV is higher, तो उसका performance भी better होगा? Let's find out. Now imagine that at the end of the first year, the net asset value of Scheme 1 is 55, while that of Scheme 2 is 11. However, if you calculate, the returns for both the schemes are 10%. So, you see, irrespective of the NAV that Saurav chose, his investment grew by the same percentage. So rather than comparing NAVs, Saurav should focus on the fund's historical performance and growth based on his investment objective, risk appetite, and time horizon. Isn't it simple? Stay tuned, and for more such investor education videos, follow UTI Mutual Fund. India, invest karo. म्यूचुअल फंड निवेश बाजार के जोखिमों के अधीन है। योजना से जुड़े सभी दस्तावेजों को ध्यान से पढ़ें।